Hello, and welcome to the HelloID Service Automation Product Release video for February 2024. HelloID Service Automation is a user management self-service solution empowering organizations by delegating user management tasks like group management and distribution group delegation. Delegating management of shared resources is another key feature. This aids IT departments in preventing the accumulation of unnecessary licenses and access rights, enhancing overall efficiency and security. Please note that this video highlights only the new features in the February 2024 release. For more videos, visit docs.helloid.com or check out our YouTube channel. Let's dive in. We'll start with a PowerPoint presentation before moving on to demonstrate the new functionalities for the February 2024 release. In this release, we're excited to introduce two new features. The first edition brings support for GitHub code snippets to delegated form tasks. These PowerShell code snippets, now accessible for a variety of systems and related actions, simplify the process of configuring your PowerShell scripts. Similarly, we've enhanced PowerShell data sources with support for code snippets. You'll find the perfect snippets for data sources relevant to your needs, like searching for Active Directory users. Let's dive into a demonstration of these new features. We've opened the Delegated Form overview in the HelloID admin portal. For this demo, we've created a new form named Release Demo 2024.02. Let's open this form to showcase the new functionalities. Starting with the form itself, it's currently blank. As an example, we'll add a grid populated with user accounts from Active Directory. To achieve this, we'll set up a PowerShell data source, which we're configuring now. We name it Get 80 Users, select the PowerShell type, and then move to the Data Source Configuration tab. Here, the script editor on the left allows you to type or paste your script for searching Active Directory user accounts. On the right, we've added a new feature, the Code Snippet Library. This library presents a collection of available code snippets for PowerShell data sources, significantly facilitating the configuration of your PowerShell data source. For instance, choose the Active Directory user account search data source. Upon opening, you'll find the code snippet, a README explaining the script's function and potential customizations, and, if available, release notes. Let's copy and paste this snippet into the script editor. This snippet utilizes a data source input named Search User. Let's configure this input now. We're ready to test the PowerShell data source. We'll disable Run in Cloud to execute the code via the local agent, as it pertains to a local Active Directory. By entering Jacob, we initiate a search for accounts. In Receive Data, a list of found results appears. Thanks to PowerShell code snippets for data sources, configuring data sources is now straightforward, eliminating the need to build code from scratch. This functionality for PowerShell data sources isn't just available in delegated forms, as we've demonstrated, but also when working with forms in products. Moving on to the second feature of this release, we're back at the form overview for Release Demo 2024.02. For the next feature, we navigate to the Forms task itself. On the screen's left, you'll find the PowerShell script editor. On the right are the options for configuring the task, including the newly added Code Snippet Library for PowerShell. This list contains an array of PowerShell code snippets available for delegated form tasks, simplifying the task configuration process. You can select a snippet and fill in additional information like the PowerShell script. With a vast library at your disposal for delegated form tasks, you can also utilize the search function. For example, looking up Account Create to find relevant snippets. We hope these PowerShell code snippets for both data sources and delegated form tasks aid you in efficiently configuring your forms and data sources. As this video comes to a close, We're excited for you to explore and utilize the new features in HelloID. Your feedback drives our innovation, making HelloID the leading solution for identity and access management. Stay tuned for our next update. Until then, happy configuring.